morning. So I was getting ready to fill an order, and then I thought, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and show them how I make my elderberry syrup making kit. So in the description, there will be a breakdown of each one of these items, and it'll have the benefits of each one in there. So right here, we're going to start with Mullein. And then we're going to put in some echinacea. And right here we have orange peel, dried orange peel. And then we're going to add one of these. And then we're going to put in some of the cloves, just a little bit of everything. And we're going to move that out the way, and we're going to bring in the elderberry rose hip, and the candied ginger is what I put in here. Now this dried ginger is going to go into the tincture that I'm also going to be showing you all how I make my tinctures. So I'm just going to take the elderberry, dried black elderberry, add some of that in. I'm going to add in some of the rose hip, dried seedless rose hip, some more elderberry. Then we're going to add some of this candied ginger. I'm also going to put in one of the sticks right now. Then add another one. Then we're going to go ahead and add in these two here. And this one, I'm going to add in some more elderberry, some more of this. And the goal, I'm going to weigh it in a minute. And the goal is to have 3.7 ounces in there. And I'm just going to move this out the way because this is going to go in our tincture. And this is going in our tincture. I'm going to add the rest of this. And we're going to measure it right now to see where we're at. We're not quite there yet. So we're going to continue to fill this up. Now we're going to see where we're at. Almost, not quite. And we're just going to take this. Let me get this set up here. Oh, there we go. We're a little over. So we're going to take a little bit out because I've got like 3 or 4 more of these to make. Okay, that's fine. I'm okay with that. So, and then we're going to take, it also comes with a brewing bag, and we're going to fold that. And we're going to set it right at the top so that they'll see that bag in there. Give me 1 second. Fold it again. Put that in there. Like so. And there's the kit.